Today we start the practice set 1.1 on lesson number first, similarity math second. The question number first is, base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of these triangles. Solution for first triangle. For first triangle, base is equal to B1 is equal to 9 or height H1 is equal to 5. This is information for first triangle. And now the information for second triangle, base is equal to B2 is equal to 10 and height is equal to H2 is equal to 6. To find ratio of areas of triangles. Area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 means the ratio of areas of triangle 1 and 2 is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. By using the statement first, which is the statement first, the ratio of these areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding height. Therefore, by substituting the value area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 means ratio of areas of triangle 1 and 2 is equal to 9 into 5 upon 10 into 6. Here 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Remaining terms in numerator 3 into 1 upon 2 into 2 is equal to 3 upon 4. Now example number second. In a figure, BC perpendicular AB, AD perpendicular AB, BC is equal to 4, AD is equal to 8. Then find area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB. Means to find the ratio of ratios of triangle ABC and triangle ADB. Now the figure is, what is the figure? Here BC is perpendicular to segment AB and AD is perpendicular to AB. Given things, solution. Now solution, given things, BC is equal to 4, AD is equal to 8. What is the value? BC is equal to 4 and AD is equal to 8. Therefore, this is the two triangle ABC, the first triangle, and triangle ABD, this is the second triangle. In triangle ABC, base AB is equal to, base is AB. Triangle ABC, base is AB and height is BC. For second triangle ADB, base is again AB and height is AD. In these two triangles from above, in both the triangle bases are common or equal. In triangle ABC and triangle ADB, what is the base? Base is AB and both the triangle base are equal or common. Therefore, by using property, which property? If the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal bases, what is equal bases, is equal to the area, is equal to the ratios of their height. Means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to H1 upon H2. By using property, bases are equal, hence areas proportional to height. If to find the ratio of areas of two triangles and when the bases are equal, then their areas is proportional to their heights. Therefore, by substituting value, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to H1 and H2 height. Means we have, what is the H1? BC. What is the H1? BC and value of BC is 4. And what is the H2? Height H2 is AD. And what is the value of AD? 8. Therefore, after solving, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, what is the ratio? 1 upon 2. Now, question number, example number 3. In adjoining figure, segment PS perpendicular to segment RQ. Segment PS perpendicular to segment RQ. Segment QT perpendicular to segment PR. If RQ is equal to 6, what is the value of RQ here? 6. PS is equal to 6. PR is equal to 12. Then find QT. Solution. In triangle PQR, in this figure, triangle P, what is the base? RQ is the base, and if to find the height, extend this line, then PS is a height. RQ is the base and PS is the height. Therefore, in triangle PQR, when base QR is equal to 6, then what is the height? PS is the height and value of PS is 6. And when base, this is also base, PR is also base, what is the value of PR? PR is equal to 12. And QT, to find the QT, and QT is the height. Therefore, by using statement area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle PQR means the ratio of area of triangle PQR is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2 by using statement. What is the statement? To find the ratio of area of triangle is equal to the product of base and their corresponding height. And what is here? B1 is equal to 6 QR. B1 is equal to QR is equal to 6 and H1 means height. First this is PS and PR means base B2 and QT means height H2. Putting this value here, numerator and denominator same, therefore value is 1. By putting this value, next PR into QT, shifting here, PR into QT is equal to RQ into PS. Putting the value, what is the value of PR? Value of PR is 12. QT, to find the QT, therefore write as it is. What is the value of RQ? RQ is equal to 6. What is the value of PS? PS is equal to 6. QT as it is 12 multiply, therefore in this side divide. Remaining terms are 6 into 6 upon 12. Here 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Therefore QT is equal to 3. This is the one way, and another way means or area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. Actual area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. But area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 upon 2 into what is the base? PR is the base. Therefore write here PR, and what is the height? QT. And 1 upon 2 base means QR. Base is QR and height is PS. PR here 1 upon 2, here also 1 upon 2, therefore 1 upon 2 gets cancelled. Remaining terms are PR into QT is equal to RQ into PS. QT here, write QT here, PR multiply, then in this sides divide RQ into PS upon PR. Substituting value, what is the value of QR? Value of QR is 6, value of PS is 6, value of PR is 12. Again 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 2 3s are 6. Therefore QT is equal to 3. This is the example number 3 and solution of this example. Now the example number 4 is, in example number 4, in adjoining figure, this is the figure AP perpendicular to BC. AP is perpendicular to BC and AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. Means these two lines are parallel. Then to find the area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD, means to find the ratio of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC and area of triangle BCD. AD is parallel to BC. Here AD is parallel to BC. These two lines are parallel. AD and BC are the parallel lines, means do not intersecting this line. Triangle ABC, which triangle? ABC and triangle BCD. This triangle BCD and ABC on same basis. On same basis. What is the reason? If two triangles have, if two lines are parallel, then the two triangles have a equal height. Therefore triangle ABC and triangle BCD have a equal height, that is BC, and they are between two parallel lines and equal heights and same basis. Triangle, what is the height of triangle ABC? What is the height of triangle ABC? The height of triangle ABC is AP and base is BC. And what is the height of triangle BCD? Height of triangle BCD is, to draw the here perpendicular, DM perpendicular on BC. Therefore height of triangle BCD is DM, and AP is equal to DM. AP is equal to DM. Therefore, ratio of areas of triangle ABC and triangle BCD are B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2 by using again statement. What is the statement? The ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the product of base and corresponding height. Putting the value, what is the value of B1? What is the base B1? Triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, the base is BC and height H1. In triangle ABC, what is the height? AP is the height. In triangle BCD, what is the base? BC, common base. And what is the height? DM. But from first, what is the value of DM? Value of DM is AP. Therefore, putting the value AP, DM की value क्या लिखी है? AP. Therefore, the remaining terms, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle. Here, BC gets cancelled. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD means the ratio is 1:1. Question number 5 for homework, page number 6. Try it. Now, theorem first. What is the theorem? Basic proportionality theorem. In short, is called as BPT or Thales theorem. In your textbook, do not mention the Thales theorem, but basic proportionality theorem is also called as the Thales theorem. In short, BPT. The theorem statement is that theorem is if a line parallel to a side of a triangle intersect the remaining sides in two distinct points, then the line divides the side in the same proportion. What is the statement? In this triangle ABC, the line L is parallel to side BC. Line L is parallel to side BC and the remaining two sides means AB and AC are the remaining two sides of triangle ABC. Therefore, line L intersect the side AB at point P and line L intersect the side AC at point Q. This is the statement. Then the line divides. Divides in the same proportion. Means AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. This is the statement of basic proportionality theorem. Given things now. Given things in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, line L. This is the line L. Line L is parallel to which line? Line L is parallel to line BC. This line L and line BC are parallel. And in line L intersect. This line L intersect AB at point P. Line L intersect AB at point P and line L intersect AC at point Q. To prove, what is to prove? AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. This is to prove. Construction. What is the construction? Draw segment PC. This is the construction. Draw a segment PC. Means join the point P and C. And again draw the segment BQ. Means join the point B and Q. Therefore, we get triangles. First triangle, triangle APQ. This is triangle APQ. And triangle PQB. This is second triangle PQB. In these two triangles have equal height. Triangle APQ and triangle PQB have equal height. Therefore, if two triangles have equal height and then their ratios, then ratios of their areas are in proportion with their bases by using property. Therefore, area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB is equal to AP upon PB. AP and PB are the bases of triangle APQ and triangle PBQ. Reason, what is in this is called first. What is the reason? Areas proportional to bases. Since these two triangles have equal height, therefore their areas are in the proportion of their bases. Similarly, triangle APQ and triangle PQC, these two triangles, again these two triangles have again same height. Therefore their ratios are in the proportion of their bases. And what is the basis of triangle APQ and triangle PQC? AQ and QC. Therefore, area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQC is equal to AQ upon QC. And second, give this number second. And reason, write reason carefully. Okay, next proof. Segment PQ is common base of triangle P. Segment PQ is the common base of triangle PBQ and triangle PQC. Segment PQ is the common base of triangle PBQ and triangle PQC. Segment PQ is parallel to segment BC. We know that if two lines are parallel, then two triangles have equal height. Therefore, triangle PQB and triangle PQC have equal height. Equal height and equal base. In triangle PQB and triangle PQC have equal height and equal base. Therefore, their ratios are their areas are equal. Therefore, area of triangle PQB is equal to area of triangle PQC. Equation number 3 or third. Therefore, area of take the ratio area of triangle APQ and triangle PQB is equal to area of triangle APQ area of triangle PQC from first, second and third. From first, what is the first? From first is area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB is equal to AP upon PB. And second, area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQC is equal to AQ upon QC. And what is the third? Area of triangle PQB is equal to area of triangle PQC. This is the third. By using from first, second and third, we get AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC from first and second. This is the proof of BPT, means basic proportionality theorem. This theorem is very useful for example. Thank you.